InstaCuppa Bamboo Green Tea Infuser Bottle. Certified premium quality bamboo tumbler. Vacuum insulated and stylish looking double-walled feature. With inner and outer stainless steel lid. And removable clever 2-in-1 infuser. With wide mouth opening that makes cleaning easier. Will surely keep your beverage hot for up to 6 hours. Drop your fruits in the infuser and enjoy your fruit-infused water in a minute. Keep it cold for up to 12 hours. Make a perfect green tea brew at home. Coffee brew and more. "100% spill and leak proof. And comes with Neoprene protective sleeve. Fits in the bag. Or carry it on the go. Looks good in the backpack.